Hi, I hope you got a fair idea from the fraction class that we built. उसके कोड को अच्छे से देख लो, उसको अच्छे से समझ लो, right? That's really going to help you out. In this video, I just want to explain something that I want you to work on. जैसे मैंने fraction बनाया था, ऐसे ही तुम्हें complex number बनाना है. So we need to create a class complex number. So this will effectively represent 2 plus 3 iota. Sorry. So this will basically represent 2 plus 3 iota. And we'll build some operations like the way we build on fractions, we'll build some operations on complex numbers as well. Okay, great. So I will not be writing the code, the complete code for this, but I'll show you what you need to do. So this is my complex number use class. So I should be able to create complex numbers. I should be able to print them. I should be able to change the real or the imaginary values. Right? So initially it was 2 plus 3 iota, I want to change it to 10 plus 30 iota. I should be able to create new complex numbers. I should be able to do C1.add C2. Similar to what we had in fractions, I am trying to add a complex number into one which was already existing. So effectively क्या होगा यहाँ पर? इस line पे क्या होना चाहिए? What this should do is, your C1 was 2 plus 3 iota, your C2 was 1 plus 5 iota. Your C1 after this operation should become 3 plus 8 iota. C1 change होके ये हो जाना चाहिए. C1 के अंदर ही हमने ऐड कर दिया है किसी existing value को. Okay? So हम ऐड कर पाएंगे, प्रिंट करेंगे तो C1 चेंज हो गया होगा, C2 वैसा का वैसा होगा. हम C3 बना रहे हैं complex number. We want to multiply C2 into C3. So C3 चेंज हो जाएगा, C2 से multiply हो जाएगा. Similar to what we had in fractions, we are creating a static add function which will not change C1, which will not change C3. It will actually, sum of these two will return into a new complex number and हम उस नए complex number को print कर रहे हैं. So these are very standard functions that we built for fractions as well. There is one small different function that you need to create. It's the conjugate function, which is basically a plus iota b का conjugate क्या होता है? a minus iota b. So अगर मैं C1 के ऊपर कॉल कर रहा हूं conjugate, so it's not changing C1, it's returning me a new complex number which is a minus iota b. So if it was a plus iota b, it's basically returning a minus iota b for me. उसको भी प्रिंट करके देख लेंगे and it should return the correct value. So क्या क्या functions बनाने हैं देख लेते हैं complex number में. So हमें एक तो हमारा constructor चाहिए, get imaginary, get real, getter, setter, print करना है, एक complex number के अंदर दूसरा complex number add करना है, एक complex number के अंदर दूसरा complex number multiply करना है, given two complex numbers उनको add करके return करना है, and conjugate complex number return करवाना है. I have decided to keep conjugate as non-static. Everything else is non-static except this one, which is basically adding two complex numbers and returning us the third one. So you need to basically complete these functions. Please go ahead. Thank you.